This video recording is for the Show What You Know, Chapter 6, page 388. You only need to tune in for those problems that you missed, as I'm guiding you through these problems. You can fast forward the video, you can press pause, and you can also rewind and play it again. In this first section, we're looking at model subtracting tens. That's when we're using base 10 blocks. Here we have rods. Rods represent a group of 10. You're to write the difference. You had 5 tens originally, and you're subtracting 3 tens. When you subtract those 3 tens, you only have 2 tens remaining. Therefore, 50, your original amount, minus 30 equals 2 tens. And if we count by tens, 10, 20, 2 tens is the same thing as 20. Number 2, 7 tens minus 2 tens. When we take away those 2 tens, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens remaining. And if we were to count by 10, our answer would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 70 minus 20 equals 50. In the next section, we're doing two-digit addition. Number 3, 54 plus 25. Please remember that you need to start in the ones place, which we have 4 ones plus 5 ones. That is equal to 9 ones. Then we move to the tens place. 5 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 7 tens. The reason why we want to make sure we explain our answer using the correct place value is because let's think about it this way. Would we say our answer is 79 or would we say 79? Well, if you said 79, you'd be correct. And the reason why we say 79 is because we have 50 plus 20 equals 70. Number 4, 35 plus 18. First, you need to start off with your ones place value, which 5 plus 8 is 13. If we draw out our units, there's 5. Now we're adding on another group. We have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you notice that you could make a 10? Those 3 remaining ones, you record, and you've regrouped and made a 10. So now you have 1 10 plus 3 tens plus another 10. That is 5 tens. And we say 5 tens is 50, so our answer is 53. You could also have said, I'm adding 10 plus 30 plus 10. Number 5, 82 plus 67. Again, begin with your ones place, adding 2 ones plus 7 ones. That is equal to 9. Moving into your tens place, we have 80 plus 60, or you can say 8 tens plus 6 tens is 14 tens. Well, now let's look at a picture. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Here's our 6 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now I can make a group of 10 tens, and that 10 tens, that equals 100. So I'm going to regroup that. into our hundreds place over here. And I have 4 tens remaining. That's why I was saying we had 14 tens. And 14 tens is the same as 140. So now we have 100, we've just regrouped that. And now we're adding 0 to that. So our answer is 149. If you're struggling with regrouping, especially when we have hundreds, we encourage you to use Think Central, to go to the I tools, the online manipulatives, and then you would have access to the base 10 blocks to help you solve your problem. Number 6 is 29 plus 81. 9 plus 1, we can make a 10. When we make a 10, we have 0 ones left over, and we've regrouped that 10. We have moved it over to the tens place where it belongs. Now we have 10 plus 20 plus 80, or you can say 1 10 plus 2 tens plus 8 tens. That's equal to 11 tens. Notice we would have to regroup. So we had 2 tens in our original problem, then 8 tens. 1, 2, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then we regroup the 10. So I can add that here. Well, here we have 8 tens. And I can combine to make a group here very carefully. And that would equal 100. And I have 1 10 left over. So that 1 goes here. And I have regrouped 100, or I've made 100. And our final answer is 110. Finally, our last section is a review about hundreds, tens, and ones. The directions were to write the hundreds, tens, and ones shown, and then write the number in the place value chart. These are called flats. These are called rods. And here we have units. So in this picture, 1 unit represents the number 1. Rods, 1 rod represents 10. Flats, 1 flat represents 100, which is a group of 10 tens. So in this picture, we have 3 ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And 1, 2 flats. So we say that number is 253. Finally, number 8. We have our units, which again, our units represent the ones. Then we have our flats, and that represents the hundreds. Do you see any tens? I don't either. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones, no tens, and 1, 2, 3 hundreds. So this number is 306. If you notice that you struggled a little bit on the Show What You Know for this chapter, I encourage you to speak with your classroom teacher and meet with them during their office hours.